Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar. New Zealand hit by storms and widespread floods. A deep area of low pressure to the southeast of New Zealand's North Island swept into the region on Sunday, bringing heavy rain, gale force winds, and dangerous coastal swells that lashed exposed shorelines. The storm triggered power outages, forced evacuations, and damaged infrastructure, with further impacts likely on Monday as the system lingers for a time before tracking southwards later. Its arrival came after days of widespread flooding into the Otahanga district, where a man was found dead after his vehicle became submerged in flood waters. Some areas recorded more than 100 mm of rain in 24 hours on Thursday, with Gisborne, Howikes Bay, and the Bay of Plenty bearing the bureau of the deluge. The Tararua district and Wairarapa have also been experiencing heavy rain and strong winds from the storm, with 24-hour rainfall totals reaching more than 100 mm locally and widespread of about 80 mph along coastal paths. The unusual persistent system developed when a cold front tracking east across the country late last week merged with a strengthening low-pressure system offshore, causing it to deepen. It then became trapped between two blocking high-pressure systems, staying in place and subjecting the same communities to prolonged heavy rain. A humid air mass of tropical origin has fed additional moisture into the storm, further intensifying downpours. The low is now looping back on itself, a movement that continues to funnel rain bands over the already saturated areas, compounding the risk of further flooding. Winds of up to 100 mph lashed France's Atlantic coast and the Alps, increasing avalanche danger in alpine ski resort. In the Italian Alps, unstable snowpack has been blamed for a number of deaths, including incidents in the areas close to the Winter Olympics, though venues remained open under the close monitoring. In Portugal, a motorway bridge collapsed after the Mondego River burst into banks following weeks of the restless rain that left soil saturated and rivers swollen. Transport networks across Spain, France, and Portugal were heavily disrupted, with flight cancellations and train delays amid flooding and high winds. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update.